Mughal Empire, Rise of Marathas. Question 1. A land revenue system called bandobast system was related to A. Shah Jahan, B. Aurangzeb, C. Akbar, D. Humayun. Question 2. Consider the following statements. 1. The system of Peshwa was introduced in Deccan by the Muslim rulers. 2. Ajnapatra is a text discussing the office of Peshwas and history of different Peshwas. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 3. Which of the following statements is correct regarding Babur? 1. Babur was the first person to use gunpowder in the war in India. 2. Rais-al-Ayusaz was a book written by Babur. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. None of the above. Question 4. Which of the following statements is correct about the administration of Sher Shah Suri? 1. Sher Shah's empire was divided into 47 sarkars. 2. Sher Shah borrowed many ideas like the branding of horses from Alauddin Khalji. 3. The state's share was 1/3 of the average agricultural produce. Select the correct action from given codes below. A. 1 only, B. 1, 2 and 3, C. 3 only, D. 1 and 3 only. Question 5. Which of the following statements is correct regarding the result of Nadir Shah attack? 1. The Emperor Muhammad Shah was taken prisoner. 2. India lost its famous Kohinoor diamond and the jewel-studded peacock throne of Shah Jahan. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. None of the above. Question 6. With reference to Aurangzeb, which of the following statements is correct? 1. He created a separate department to enforce moral codes under a high-powered officer called Muhtasib. 2. Aurangzeb invaded Bijapur and Golconda to contain the spread of the Marathas. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. None of the above. Question 7. With reference to the medieval history of India, which of the following statements is correct? 1. Akbar encouraged paintings depicting events of his own life, individual portraits, studies of birds, and royal courts. 2. Akbar patronized Tansen of Gwalior, who was a prominent Hindustani classical music composer, musician and vocalist. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. None of the above. Question 8. In the context of history of India, consider the following pairs. Foreigner travelers. Accounts literary work. 1. Al-Biruni. Records of Buddhist kingdoms. 2. Huenzang. Sivayuki or the records of the Western world. 3. Francois Bernier. Travels in the Mughal Empire. 4. Al-Masudi. Tehqiq-i-Hind. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only, B. 2 and 3 only, C. 1 and 4 only, D. 2 and 4 only. Question 9. Chaudh and Sardeshmukhi is a term related to the post-Mughal era is related to A. The taxes collected in the Maratha kingdom, B. Literary sources of history, C. Cavalry maintained by nobles under Marathas, D. Land measuring system of Emperor Jahangir. Question 10. In the context of the history of India, consider the following pairs. Battle fought between 1. 1 ND Battle of Panipat. Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. 2. Second Battle of Panipat. Nehmat Shah Abdali and Maratha Empire. 3. Third Battle of Panipat Akbar and Hemu. Which of the pairs given above is are correct? A. 1 only. B. 1, 2 and 3. C. 3 only. D. 1 and 3.